In the 12:11 that I'm looking at in the realm of the spirit, the 12:11, I'm talking about Kennedy, Japan, and then Baumia. Now, one important thing is that 11 and then 12.
Okay.
One will arrive at 11 and one will arrive at 12. The primaries between Baumia and Kennedy or Japan. Yes, the two of them. One will arrive at 11 and one will arrive at 12. One will begin to enjoy a very loud noise, but one will finish last. He who finishes last is the winner of the election.
Kennedy Japan, Ebedi na ni sa akopem 11 o'clock.
Okay, yeah. 12 o'clock, Baumia.
I was saying a prophet Telvin Sowah Eddie prophecy be abeto abonti at this time around no what they air confirming nipa will be winning NPP for prime minister wo ba be ko ya wo no and the bear flag bearer watch say bibia entimi else say na busua awasem wo mu ni say ye hwe ballot box ne so anaka yenim say numbers that's no the honorable kana kompa ko Agyapongs eda number 1 and na Dr. Muhammad Bawumia eda number 3 na wo mu mienu yi ene nipa tension no ejina wo musu yi pa na prophet Telvin Taylor ede numbers bia enye number of ballot box no mo say 11 and na 12 na sa numbers yi eno ene be determine honorable kana kompa ko Agyapongs and na Dr. Muhammad Bawumia wo mo ewin no mo akwaba ede about too much GA. So first time you message so me subscribe to me so eya kai say wo de be no be count say na be na upload me tumpe only first person ya wo sa ebidike aka na me na sa akwanya we so abo amane say wo ya sorry wo ya akwankure wo ya adwumako wo pe baby no abo ado so de hu de ra na say wo sorry hu de ra too much GH ebi wo map no ede ato numbers no ene go screen no ase na busia message so be fa na no edwuma mu penifo edi enkomo ebusia se ebo de ra yensem no mu dia ene prophet Telvin Sowah ede prophecies bebre na abeba emontin so ade nyina no eya ade kasa ede fa NPP for primaries no na busia this time around no ne wode abeto abonten no Agyapongs na chance no mu wo trese primaries no a eba bekoso no on the 11th hour no ena obi ani JBC e wo primaries nim na busia wo se aseye to abana wie na afi wo hu ne se beye 2 hours abana omoto ye no we are suspended abana ejina fa ko bibie ni ho a eko bibie ni ho a eba na saa bre na wo no boke na kompe kwa Agyapongs ana bato ne kenkan na chese wadi nkunimu a ene na ye bono si a chese ye tu hire de gu ne so anesa 11k ena ono boke na kompe kwa Agyapongs wo chese ne nije ni nyina esiye ena 12 o'clock boy ye ma Dr. Muhammad Bawumia so enije ehia asebusua akwa ye very complex prophecy ena odi atudwa no ma ye nkɔ ne nkotie prophet Telvin Sowah ye ba ye be die twenkomo
answer na beto one so ene a message be na o man Ghana
Today, there are some few things I would want to say.
Okay.
Which is very, very simple. I saw two numbers.
Okay, two numbers.
12 and then 11.
12, 11.
Yes.
That is December 11.
Oh, Dabi. Not December 11.
Okay.
12, 11.
Okay.
In the 12:11 that I'm looking at in the realm of the spirit, in the 12:11 that I'm looking at, the 12:11, I'm talking about Kennedy, Japan, and then Baumia. Now, I told you earlier that in January somewhere, or maybe last year, was it last year or January? Obisa primaries.
I think January.
January. I told you that there will be an election. And there will be primaries, and then Baumia will surface, and then will win the election and run the whole show, which will not be a problem at all. So, notwithstanding, this is the whole ideology, and this is the whole system which I have seen and witnessed.
Okay.
Now, I want to break it down to you to make clarity in that angle so that there's no confusion. The first thing I want to show you is this, number one, which you have to understand. First thing I want to say is this. Today there's a lot of distraction. If you put distract, I'll be able to deliver the way I have to. Yes. So now one important thing is that 11 and then 12.
Okay.
One will arrive at 11 and one will arrive at 12.
So far, say anything.
Let me explain to you.
Okay, explain.
The primaries between Baumia and this thing, Kennedy or Agyapongs. Yes, the two of them. One will arrive at 11 and one will arrive at 12. It is time pattern, specific timeline. One will begin to enjoy a very loud noise, but one will finish last. He who finishes last is the winner of the election at the end of the day. And it's not proven, but everybody knows that it's Bamia that is winning, which I've already prophesied already. So he will finish last with the result at 12.
I see.
The election will be held for 2 hours. Pause.
A pause and then a because was that time no 2 hours no. Then a because
in 2 hours it will be a break, like a lot of battle. Never be break also.
On the election day no. Kennedy Japan ebegin and Nisa akopem 11 o'clock.
Okay, yeah.
That's what it means, 11, 12 no.
Yes.
And then
once the thing, there will be a little bit of break. We'll say, I said, wait, because I'm gonna stop here. And I'm gonna try to, wait, because and the people are gathering, trying to wait for the result, and everything is at a pause, and everything is not moving. All of a sudden, boom. As I told you, 11 something will change. 12 o'clock, Baumia.
You know, if only be say, Ken na all winning, and not say, Nanka ampa Ken winning, and a be changing, and so. Yeah. I don't need to talk on social media, so for no come. We see.
And so in some way, and a prophet Telvin Sowah, a dear to Jar, Accra FM, Nagana for HS, wo meyi ebi mu kyerɛ sɛ ɛbɛbɔ a na ɛyɛ Ghana difo no mu bi ɛna ɛbɛma wɔ man Ghana abofise si den na wotumi ɛhyɛ nkɔm na wo kyerɛ sɛ obi ani gye bedi akɔkɔsi 11 na afei yɛbɛgyira aba no na akɔkɔwie sɛ Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ɛna ɛbɛsan ba bedi nkuni mɛka me ɛsɛ ne asɛ wo kyerɛ sɛ enwiemu bi na ɛbɛkɔ so anasɛ de ba ne sana na wodi kan asɛte confusion ɛde atumu abra confusion ne krampo enya eni hɔ wenim ne adwenkyerɛ Ghana fo bi ɛkyerɛ wɔ mo adwene bi nso ɛne prophets no ɛyɛ adwene ɛkyerɛ sɛ ne de ayi te sɛ mirikatu ye hye mirikatu na sɛ wɔn se bi mu di mirika kirika sɛ wɔn na wɔdi kan wɔn sɛ obi aso ano fi akyire wɔn na hwe wɔn ba besan nipa na wɔdi enkunim no ho nti wɔn ne yɛ ade ebetumi akɔso a prophet Telvin Sela in video ne ba wɔnte no Ghana fo kyerɛ wɔn adwene saa ɛde fa ho a medi bia ba beso mɛsɛ sɛ wɔ so obegya adwene kyerɛ ɛwɔ comment section for all the social media handles ɔkɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ too much gh o subscribe no like no wa share na fofo nso ɛnyɛ bia hwɛ me din ɛde dark gold macro.